Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. So in this video we are going to discuss about a new AI template which is added in our LMS Research AI Assistant. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI templates. This is a special template regarding detailed literature review. So just go on to Google and type LMS Research Support. So it will lead to our website, the link. After that you will be having AI chatbot option. So in this AI chatbot option you can able to see LMS AI templates. So these are the different templates we have discussed in before videos. So here a new template is added. As we have already have a template called literature review, we have added a detailed literature review template. So in this literature review it will generate main findings and limitations of the paper. So in this detailed literature review you can get the summary of the paper as well, and also you can get the detailed main finding and detailed limitation of the paper. So here you have to copy and paste the references in this literature review. So in this detailed literature review you have to copy some other that is data available in the paper. So let us explore how it will works out and how it will analyze the paper very better. Just to click on detailed literature review. See here it leads to the page here. So detailed literature review. In this detailed literature review you have to add a title of the paper, abstract of the paper, introduction of the paper, conclusion of the paper. These are the 4 things you have to add. So for that I am going to a random paper. So here a random paper is called a comprehensive review of solar photovoltaic technologies, architecture and application to improve efficiency. So you can copy and paste this particular topic, that is title of the paper. So copy the title of the paper and paste in this box, title of the paper. So after that you can copy and paste the abstract of the paper. So here this is the abstract of the paper. So you can copy and paste the abstract here. After that you can add the introduction part of the particular paper. So go to introduction. So copy and paste the introduction part. So here I have copied the introduction part of the paper. Just paste here. Next you can go on for conclusion of the paper. So here you can see the conclusion of the paper. So copy the conclusion of the particular paper and paste in this box. Please add conclusion of the paper. So after that click literature review. So let us see how it will works out, how it will generate a detailed analysis of that particular paper. Here you can see that our detailed literature review is generated. So here you can see the summary of the paper. Here you can see the paper provides a comprehensive review of solar photovoltaic technologies, architecture and their applications to improve efficiency. It discusses the major disadvantages of solar panels, which is their low efficiency, and explores various factors that affects efficiency such as panel temperature, cell type, panel orientation and irradiation level. The paper highlights the need to use and manufacture solar panels in the most effective way to harness maximum power and increase efficiency. So this is how the summary of the paper is generated, and also you can see the main findings of the paper also. So here you can see what are the important points to be taken in that particular paper. These are the main findings. So you can make use of this main findings, and also you can see the limitations of the paper. So the paper mainly focuses on silicon based single junction solar cells and does not extensively cover other types of solar cell technologies. The discussion on integration methods and techniques for maintaining efficiency could be more detailed and provide specific examples. So like that the limitations of the paper also will be generated easily. So thereby you can get a detailed literature review of a particular paper rather than having 2 or 3 lines in our in other AI tool, just generating only 2 or 3 lines, that is only summary of the paper like that. So here you can have a detailed version of the particular paper. So here you can use this paper for your that is content for your making your literature review easily. So this is the important option in this detailed literature review. So you can go on and check our detailed literature review template and make your literature review writing even more better. So and also we have a plan to make an automated literature review. Just by uploading your paper, the analysis of all the things in the paper will be done very easily. So still it is in process. Soon you will get that automated literature review. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. As far as plans and pricing is concerned, so you can see this is LMS AI free plan. So you can access our template, that is only summarizer and grammar corrector for 7 days. So this is our free plan. So you can access unlimited version for that summarizer and grammar corrector alone. So after that, this is LMS AI monthly plan. So you can access all our tool for unlimited for 30 days. So and we will update every month new templates. As we have said, we have updated that detailed literature review. So there are many options will be sooner will be available. So after that, you can see LMS AI quarterly plan. So 199. So it is valid up to for 90 days. So you can access unlimited access for all our templates for 90 days. So here you can see the half-yearly plan 499. So you can have unlimited access for all templates. So here you can see this LMS AI yearly plan. So 999. You can have all the unlimited access for all the templates for 365 days. This is our LMS plans and pricing details. So hope this video, detailed literature review video, will be helpful for you. So don't forget to go on and check our options. So thank you for watching our videos. Make your literature review writing very simple. Have a nice day. Thank you.